me introduce myself. My name is Agnes Cintamani Virginia with ID number 642405555, and this is my friend.
My name is Tasya Putri with ID number 642405661.
And in this time, I want to show you our video, our dialogue about remote business meeting that we made now, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye!
Good morning, Mrs. Tasya. It's a pleasure to see you. Thank you so much for taking the time to join this virtual meeting today.
Good morning, Miss Agnes. The pleasure is mine. I'm glad we could schedule this. I've heard some exciting things about this proposal, and I'm looking forward to hearing more.
That's wonderful to hear. Thank you. And before we begin, allow me to introduce myself properly. My name is Agnes, and I'm the Strategic Partnership Manager at Novatech Solution, and my role focuses on identifying meaningful collaboration opportunities, especially in the area of smart and sustainable.
Nice to meet you, Agnes. I'm Tasya, currently serving as Head of Product Strategy at EcoBright Innovation. As you might know, our team is always open to exploring smart energy initiatives, especially when they align with our green technology goals.
It's great to connect with someone whose focus is so aligned with ours. Today's meeting is intended to present a proposal for a potential cooperation between Novatech and EcoBright, one that we believe could supporting smart city development, and I will walk you through the core ideas, objectives, and proposed role and potential pilot implementation.
Sounds like a plan. I'm ready when you are.
Excellent. I'll now begin the presentation. Please feel free to ask questions at any point, or we can discuss in detail after the slides. Good morning, Mrs. Tasya. I hope you're doing well today. Thank you once again for taking time to join this meeting. Let me begin by introducing the topic of today's presentation, a strategic partnership proposal between Novatech Solution and EcoBright Innovation. I am Agnes, Strategic Partnership Manager at Novatech, and I'll be presenting our cooperation plan today. Okay, the main purpose of this meeting is to discuss a potential cooperation between our companies, and we believe there is a significant opportunity to create something impactful together, especially in the field of smart and sustainable technology. And through this presentation, I will walk you through our ideas, objectives, and the roles we envision for both parties. Okay, the next is about Novatech Solution. Let me start with the brief introduction of Novatech. We specialize in IoT solutions, smart infrastructure, and data analytics. Our vision is to contribute to the growth of intelligent and sustainable cities. Over the last decade, we have implemented smart city solutions across Indonesia, focusing on automation, energy saving, and digital integration. The next why you have to choose EcoBright, because we specially reach out to EcoBright because of your strong reputation in the field of sustainable lighting technology, and your track record in energy efficient product development is impressive. And more importantly, we believe we share the same values in environmental responsibility and green innovation. Okay, next is proposed project overview. Now let's talk about project. We propose the joint development of smart lighting infrastructure, integrating Novatech's real-time monitoring system with EcoBright advanced lighting technology. This will be targeted for use in public spaces, like city roads, parks, and municipal buildings as part of smart city programs. Okay, why you have to collaborate us? Because our collaboration aims to achieve several clear goals, like reduce energy usage by up to 40% and enable real-time monitoring of lighting system, support green city initiative and runs by local government, and of course open new market channels through joint branding and marketing. We surely agree that this could be a win-win opportunity. Next is roles and responsibility. Here's how we see our responsibility. Novatex will manage the software platform IoT integration and performance analytics. EcoBright will supply the lighting device, sensor, and renewable energy components. We will also work together on project planning, marketing strategies, and pilot implementation. Okay, the next is pilot project plan. To start, we propose launching a pilot project in Bandung in will run for 3 months, allowing us to evaluate system performance, user satisfaction, and energy savings. Just to confirm, once the pilot is successful, we aim to expand to Semarang as the next target city. Okay, the next is investment and cost sharing. Regarding cost, we suggest a shared investment model for the pilot phase. Additionally, we can jointly manage marketing campaigns and propose a co-branded community strategy. And we also see the potential for joint R&D in the future to develop more advanced systems. Okay, so what's next is we will send the draft memorandum of understanding by this Friday. Both terms will review internally, and we can schedule a follow-up meeting to finalize the technical and operational timeline. To summarize, and we propose a collaboration smart lighting solution that support energy efficiency, improve urban infrastructure, and enhance our market reach. We believe this project holds real potential and are very excited to move forward with EcoBright. And thank you so much for your attention and openness to explore this partnership. And I'd be happy to hear your talks and all your questions. Okay, thank you once again, Mrs. Tasya. You may reach me anytime via email or phone. The contact information is shown here, and I look forward to working together to bring this vision to life. So that concludes the presentation, Mrs. Tasya. I hope the proposed partnership structure and pilot project plan are clear. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Thank you, Ms. Agnes. Yes, it was very clear. I especially appreciate how well the roles and responsibility were defined. The idea of starting with a pilot in Bandung sounds like a good entry point. I just have a question about post-pilot evaluation. How will success be measured?
Yeah, that's a great question. We plan to use three key indicators: energy efficiency, improvement, system reliability, and stakeholder feedback. We will conduct surveys, gather data analytic, and create a full impact report before proposing further rollout.
That seems acceptable. As long as the data is transparent and shared openly, I believe our team will be on board.
Yeah, we surely agree. Transparency and measurable outcomes are essential for any pilot project. Just to confirm, your team is open to beginning with the pilot phase in Q3 this year, right?
Yes, that's probably all right. Our internal timeline should align with that. I'll check with the operation teams, but from what I can see is visible.
Okay, good. We have an agreement. I will have our confidential team and send over the draft memorandum of understanding by Friday so your side can begin reviewing it next week.
Sounds good. I'll send someone from our legal and engineering department to handle the follow-up. The sooner we get started, the better.
Yeah. Yes, perfect. It's settled then. I really appreciate your openness and cooperation throughout this meeting, Mrs. Tasya.
Likewise, Miss Agnes, this proposal has great potential. Let's move forward with the confidence.
Absolutely. I'll stay in touch via email for next steps. Thank you once again and have a productive week ahead.
So that's all our video about dialogue remote business meeting that we made here with love and I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.